First, the top news headlines. Government working to provide best healthcare service to people, says Minister Jayant Kumar. Leaders, including Chief Minister Biren, extend warm Christmas greetings. And village chairman injured in gun attack by suspected KNF and militants. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Khongban Tabang giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Under the supervision of Manipur Health Department, the Airport Authority of India AAI in association with Beti Kendra International Airport Imphal today handed over a minibus to Tabitha Children Home located at Manipuri Lamlongay Imphal during a function at the premises of the children home. The minibus was sponsored by Corporate Social Responsibilities CSR AAI NER Guwahati Regional Executive Director Sanjeev Jindal, AAI Imphal International Airport Director Senthil, Health Services Director Dr. K. Razo and officials of AAI Imphal and Health Services attended the function. Talking at the event, Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayant Kumar said that the government is working to provide the best healthcare service to the people of Manipur. He also praised the corporate sector for extending support.
Against us, that saying that what the hell you did for us? You didn't do anything for us, but why you blame us? So that is the same slogan they are going to give us. The Madu Kumbashing, the Madu talked and Nabakoi, Angang Mong Tan Sembivan have say. Now equally like health sector, my Mong Tan Sembiva, the morally upright but discipline Mong Tan Sembiva society that come out of how to live in a very civilized society. And have say it is a very, very good education.
At the event, a memorandum of understanding MOU on mortuary van and drinking water was also signed between AAI and ADC Senapati. Executive Director of AAI NER Guwahati Sanjeev Jindal said that under the CSR, AAI Imphal Airport has taken up projects worth rupees 10 crore that aim at extending support to sectors like health, education and others.
We are also doing society upliftment and we are working for the underprivileged. We are working in the sector of eradication of hunger. We are working in the sector of health. We are working in the sector of education. And in Manipur also, we have sanctioned more than 10 crore projects.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren wishes the people of Manipur, especially the Christians, on the joyous occasion of Christmas tomorrow. In his message, N. Biren also urged for peaceful coexistence among all by maintaining brotherhood and forgiving and forgetting each other's fault in this festive season. On the occasion of Christmas, Manipur Works Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh today extended his greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Christian brethren. In his message, the minister wished for brotherhood, peace and unity in the state. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar also wished the people of Manipur, particularly the Christian community, a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. In his message, Shyam Kumar underlined on caring and protecting the weaker section of the society. Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Syam has also wished the people of Manipur on the occasion of Christmas. In his message, the minister conveyed messages on healing, compassion, brotherhood and reconciliation. Manipur's Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen has also extended his Christmas greetings to all Christian brethren and people of Manipur. In her message, Kipgen urged all to spread love, oneness, peace and best service to mankind. Phungyar constituency MLA K. Lesio has extended Christmas greetings to the people of Manipur. Talking to media at his office in Lumphel, Imphal, the MLA wished that may this Christmas and New Year bring peace and brotherhood among all communities in the state.
Lairiba mipum khudingmakki thawai thamoi manungda shanti gi gano su pokpo oisanu haibse hainingmani amadi lakliba chahi 2020 sidi akoi lamsi peace na thallaba ningchen manaba amata ngai amata oibagi wakhan mipum khudingmak ana ayek leitaba awat apa leitaba khatna chainaba leitaba aigi oina khannadaba mi mayam gi oina apun makhanba mi masam sagi ngak khanna si tokba chahi si anau si mi pum gudingmakti tokhai tadaba akoi tongan khandaba akoi chawkhat thorang lakba chahi oisunu haina mayam bo aigi happy and merry Christmas amadi happy new year and very prosperous new year.
Naga's People Front NPF Manipur Unit President Awongbok Nyumai also greeted the people on Christmas. In his message, Awongbok said he feels that this year people are in full enthusiasm for celebrating Christmas unlike before. On behalf of the NPF Manipur Unit, Awongbok wishes everyone, particularly the Christians, on the occasion of Christmas and New Year. The NPF leader also assured that the party will support the BJP-led government in the state in safeguarding the territorial integrity and unity of Manipur.
Ngasi sugumba Manipur da yam nungai ba situation Christmas mamang sigumba Christmas mamang da kari su problem later duna Christmas miyam yaw biya bagi miyam haraw na Christmas ruk yaw na ba haina miyam na sumana thorang tawriba sida akhoi su mayam bo nungai bo phungdop loina na Manipur da ingna tapna for the years to come peace Manipur da laibo oishnu andaki Christmas asi mayam gi damada muka henna yai phaiba nungai ba peace pangba aduguma Christmas oishnu adugo loina na New Year thokpada akoi Manipur punamakki damakta hena afaba chahi oishnu habise miyam da wish tawjari.
Major General KP Singh, YSM Inspector General Assam Rifles South and officials of Assam Rifles extended also warm greetings to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Christmas. The IGAR South expressed hope that the festival will herald an era of progress and prosperity in the region and promote unity, integrity and peaceful coexistence of the communities in the state. Suspected armed militants of Kuki National Front, Nelun, KNF and shot and injured Laikot village chairman Paulal Kipgen over an alleged ransom demand last night. According to a report, the incident happened at Laikot under Saparmaina police station. 4 unknown armed men came in a Bolero jeep, entered the house of the village chairman around 6 p.m. and asked him to come out of the house. Later, they shot Paulal Kipgen in the leg. Meanwhile, condemning the gun attack on village chairman, the KNF urged the concerned authority to book the culprits and take necessary legal actions against them. It may be noted that KNF is a signatory to suspension of Operation Sioux Agreement. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. But coming up next, a new holiday destination named Riverfall Woods Resort at Irang Ragailong opens to public.
The Chopstick Buddies, Authenticity of China, now at Imphal. The Chopstick Buddies is a corner store in the Brewbags family, recognized for its classic Chinese foods, personalized atmosphere, excellent service and genial staff members. We offer a range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods prepared by expert chefs using fresh and quality ingredients. Please come and visit for the best Chinese cuisines at Imphal, Soibamlikai Jenims Road, Porompat, Imphal East. Or contact us at 8731847066.
Yang what?
Sokthaba lodi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Sokthaba koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance na haksangi salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Chasingi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asengba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong Tea asibu mahau lobinabagi damak ngasimak leibiu anoba technique kaya sizinaduna semjariba Gambhiras Valley Strong Tea. CTC asi gram chama chani yankai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokna fanganjari cha asigi mahau lobinabagi damak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong CTC.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singi loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adomgi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudimaki gari kaya su bandan lawjare Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pisari
akupa marol gi damakta lengsinbira u Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nityananda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro
Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampat Kaisamlaikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tawjari ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yumthang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lawba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani Masida natana lambigi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyamgi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak save tawshin biu aikhui contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back after the break. A new holiday destination named Riverfall Woods Resort was inaugurated yesterday at Irang Ragailung under Khaupum subdivision of None district. Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority Adim Paumei and several residents were present during the function. Mention may be made that the new resort is the brainchild of two brothers, namely Hizam George and Hizam Clinton. Talking at the event as chief guest, Adim Paumei lauded the two brothers for opening a resort. He added that the resort will built with low expenses deserves appreciation.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯣꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯠꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯇꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯚꯔꯁ ꯐꯣꯜꯁ ꯋꯨꯠ ꯔꯤꯖꯣꯔꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯒꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯒ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯏꯟꯀꯝ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
On the other hand, the owner of the resort, George, said that the resort was built as a one-stop destination for all nature lovers from across the state and across the globe. He was also confident that it will help in generating income for him and his brother. He added, he has a plan for adding a circuit for the resort in days to come.
Tongjai Marial Haraga Kangnariba, Kogi, Silcher Chatpa, Kogi, Home Kingdom, Samgi Kingdom, Asilaisda, Chatkado from the Sea Paraga, Dumla, Mapamni, Aduna, Lady Mama Pum sing, Jigi, me sing as issue, Anamba, Loinamak, Nakogi, Matelon, so don't I Kambo Oi, Manipuri Kambo Oi, Adumba problem. Gam the late Mapamsiam, the English signal Mapamni, Miam Mapamni, Adugumba, and the Iran label Mapamna today, my answer them lock you, Awapotabo view. And then akoigi leiba nature gi phajau singju dum yengbiu.
Project coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Khaidem, said the place will provide a pleasure of experiencing quiet and serenity far away from hustle and bustle of city life.
Line paisa tanba yabadi huji new trend asida agro-tourism masini. Agro-tourism is the organ paisa yam lai tan phangani. Maram di kari ginu harga huji si even not only akoi mapandi mi khatan natana India manung jotaki su from Imphal itself yam na crowded area taki thok aga akoi isana se lamchi la aga isana nga phajaraga isana na sak thongjaraga leibagi nungai bodu ki pleasure du duni akoi huji pama ise maram baduna masida leibagi paisa ju phangan ba yargani aduga nga phan badagi sa yok badagi masana la phajar cha duini masana la ga nga sem cha duini adagi sa du sem duini aduga leibagi homely wena lehan badu dagi income ma generate to yani indigenous oiba puthok kaya ama su uba phangalagin mayam punamakta aduga income ju generate to ngamagani.
The National Secretariat of the Communist Party of India has strongly condemned the arrest and re-arrest of Comrade L. Sotin Kumar, Secretary of the Manipur State Council of the party, for taking a stance, sharing and supporting the annoyance and anguish of the Manipur people in particular and of the people of the entire Northeast in general over the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA and move to bring in nationwide National Register of Citizen NRC. Comrade Sotin Kumar was re-arrested by the Manipur police on December 21st after the CJM Imphal West granted him bail. In a press release, the National Secretariat, while condemning the arrest, demands his immediate release unconditionally. The party also demands withdrawal of the cases filed against Comrade Sotin Kumar and a few other comrades who led the protest. Meanwhile, three left parties, CPIM, RSP and AIFB, have also demanded immediate release of L. Sotin Kumar. Due to shortage of doctors and nurses at Kwakta Primary Health Center, the residents in the area are facing inconveniences at present. Over this issue, a press meet was held by Socio-Economic, Educational and Cultural Upliftment Organization SICO today at the premises of Kwakta PHC, during which SICO Information and Publicity Secretary Anis Ahmed warned of a series of agitations if the related department fails to send the required doctors and nurses to the health center by January 3rd next. Anis also said that the primary health center has been left in deplorable condition, which is a grave concern for the residents. He urged upon the concerned authority to do the needful at the earliest.
ST na Kundava Chanpurga Taineriba, Ukatampak, Aduga, Torbung, Bangla, Kamtera Kongsangbi, Gram Pansai, Koktasi Gram Pansai, Kokta Municipal, Loin Maxipulaga, Puna, population Z, the singing Yankee Mataka Hariba, PSC Matotaway. Lahisi maruina delivery lab kre doctor laitam na maram moerga night service tawdre hena khoi sumaina makhoi doctor gi site gi notice thoge athu bagi oina hari bhiram sing de sarkar meeting changbi ha bise khoi appeal tawjari tang ahum bhogi manung da hari bai khoi na piri ba matam si manung da wali ba doctor nurse amadi infrastructure sing athu bagi oina khoi gi facility pb de bata ga khoi democratically ob khongjang changsel lagani.
Jirimukh police outpost under Jiribam district is facing a lot of drawbacks such as improper road, lack of security. The outpost also monitors unwanted visitors through land and water. It has an additional sub-inspector, a havildar, 2 police constables and 8 VDF personnel. The police outpost was established earlier this year to check influx of illegal migrants through the border area under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Jiribam M. Movie in the wake of issues of NRC in Assam and ILP in Manipur. But the approach route of Jirimukh police outpost is outdated and the security personnel are facing difficulties. In charge of Jirimuk Outpost, Asangbam Kamini Singh said that checking of 50 to 70 boats is done every day for identification of people and their documents, and people who are found possessing invalid documents are pushed back. Vice President of All Jiribam United Club Association, Ajuka Premchandra, urged the authority to look into the matter.
Check tawjabne tha amadi yamdrabada SP amadi additional SP officer sing laktuna manga tarulak check tawi aikoina nomada tawriba kaino singasi mioi singasi station da amadi SP sahib ta report pikhali haiwa report sigi matungina SP sahib na akoi busum matam punamakta awat apa punamai jungpi
sahi amani dagi khoirakpa irel mayamna narando ina khangnaba mafam asi yaunabada khari bamfam asi dagi lambi asi de chatlaga mafam masida akoi Manipur government gi tongan environment gi koi mieng koi changlakani haibagi akoi gi adumasu leire adu forest outpost adu police ki outpost amasu leirabani adu maram.
An awareness cum voluntary blood donation camp was held today at the Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Imphal. The event was organized by St. John Foundation, Imphal, in association with State Blood Cell, National Health Mission Manipur, Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, JNIMS, and State Blood Transfusion Cell, Imphal. Around 50 individuals donated blood during the camp. St. John Foundation, Imphal Secretary Saubam Mocha Luang said that the blood donation camp was organized to help people who are in need of blood.
Precious human life have a team sida ekoi ngasi voluntary blood donation camp masi pangthok jabani loinana ekoi makha tarakpada 2020 da su ekoi leptana adum chang nai ekoi gi volunteer mayam adum matam gi darkar oi be ising ado rims ta jenims ta adagi sijo hospital da ekoi gi imphal da leiriba blood bank ahum sida ekoi chang nai adum ep na nabgi thorang adum ekoi leijari.
Under the supervision of Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Charitable Trust, Hairok Block Youth Congress Committee today extended a financial assistance of Rs 10,000 to one Ahong Sangbam Manisang of Nongpok Sekmai, who is currently undergoing medical treatment at the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Porampad. Consumer Club Manipur today observed National Consumer Day at Wangkhai Pujalampa Community Hall in Imphal East. The function was organized by Young Voluntary Organization YVO Wangkhai and Wangkhai Durga Pujalampak Women's Welfare Organization. Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Ranjan Yumnam, President of Consumer Club Manipur T. Fulchand Sharma, President of YVO Wangkhai Y. Hemanta and President of Women's Welfare Organization Nahakpam Dhananda were present on the occasion. Ranjan Yumnam said that biometric machines will bring a significant change in the public distribution system. Ranjan added that 60 biometric machines have so far been distributed in 5 districts and that 1,600 more biometric machines will be distributed soon. He further informed that around 700 such machines will be distributed next month. Ranjan said using biometric machines in the public distribution system will help check wrongdoings. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Enterprises Makal Kayagi furniture items Pangbiragani Maruina sofa set, office table amadi chair set, wedding set asina chingbani. Furniture item ama leibada chada tara mangadagi kun fawba discount pijari. Loinana Christmas amadi New Year gidamak akhanaba offer su pijari. Mattress pambiba singna Slipwell Moirang khomdagi lobi biyagani. Akopa moral gidamak lengsin birau Laurembam Enterprises Kanchipur opposite Manipur University. Akogi contact number 97741 32867 natraga 8787675251. Lagliba December Kunipan Thangja Numita Private Sports Academy na Sinduna Football Sanari Singi Selection Test Pangthok Jaragani. Ayuk pung tere taba matamda Loktak Project Football Ground da Pangthok Jagadoriba Selection Test asida Saruk Yabiningba Nupa Amadi Nupi Sanari Singna Isagi Aadhaar Card Natraga Birth Certificate Amadi Passport Size Photo Ani Pubidaktuna Yaubidawi Yagani. Selection Test asi under 12 years, under 14 years, under 16 years Amadi above 18 years Haina Tongan Tongan ba category da Pangthok Jagani. Chahitara Nipan Mathaki category category gi oina khallaba sanaroi singda thagi lupa lising manga dagi kuntra phawa pigani akopa moral gi dama contact tobiu Private Sports Academy Guwahati contact number 93830-98641 natraga 8730927492 natraga 6009368876 da contact tobiu Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite Doordasan Kendra Imphal, recognized by BOSEM and COSEM. Admission open for the academic session 2020 for the classes pre-nursery to class 8. With the completion of 30 years of service in the field of education, school is pleased to announce special concession for admission to nursery and pre-nursery. For more details, please contact Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite Doordasan Kendra Imphal. SV Gadwell School, Hautal Thangjam Khuro, Imphal East Pangai Road presents Run Gadwell Run, a cross-country road with the theme Believe in Yourself on Sunday the 15th of December 2019. Why we run? Mind cleaning, time for ourselves, time with friends, teaches us to keep moving forward. Lastly, to believe that you can achieve what you have dreamed of. Adongi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mipainingai oidre subnatagi lupa lising ani chamwa piba vetlock hairiba vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthokpa ngamle device installation su free oijagani ngasimang lengsin biro kulhu techno solution Friends Colony Mantri Pukri Imphal buy online at kulhu.com phone number 7005117881 natraga 9615227146 Sunday open timing 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Welcome back. A one-day winter camp for students was held today at Senjam Chirang Government Primary School, Senjam Khunau under Sekmai constituency. The winter camp was organized under the initiative of department in charge of 57th Mountain Division Lemakong Maimo. The event was also participated by Major Maruli of 38 Assam Rifles. They offered the children on the occasion of Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2020. Omesh said that the aim of the camp was to give knowledge to the students outside the classroom through extracurricular activities during their winter breaks. The 20th Rup Mahal Artist Memorial Drama Festival 2019 was kicked off at Rup Mahal Theatre in Imphal yesterday. The festival is held in connection with 76th anniversary of Rup Mahal Theatre. 29th Maitram Bira Award 2019 was awarded to Laisram Tondon Singh. The award, which was instituted in 1991, is dedicated to well-known artist Maisnam Bir Singh. The award carries rupees 10,000, certificate and memento. Participating in the inaugural function, Professor I.S. Kangjam said that recognition of the artist is more important than the award. In fond memory of late Bijitra Lukram of Nambol Sabalekai, who passed away following a tragic road mishap on December 4 last, his family members and friends planted around 100 saplings in a hillock located in the vicinity of Lining Thau Khori Bhaba's shrine today. The program was jointly organized by Voluntary Network for Green Earth, Khangabok and K-Talks. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Sorokhaibam Bindyarani, who bagged gold medal in weightlifting at the recently concluded 13th South Asian Games, was given a warm reception by volunteers of welfare organization Langol Ningthaulekai today at the Bir Tikendrizit International Airport, Imphal. At the 13th South Asian Games held in Nepal, Bindyarani won a gold medal, which was an extraordinary feat, lifting a total of 181 kilograms in clean and jerk moves.
Nepal ki Kathmandu Pakora ta pangthokpane 13 Asian Games ai dura goal lawjare goal lawdo ai yam harawe smai mayam to bu sa mukena ai harawe ai ji mathang dar ju senior national ai hana ju atopada Commonwealth Championship ade kai ke mam chalore senior gi aro goal adum lawjare.
A team of Manipur Kung Fu players left Imphal for Maharashtra today. The team will be participating in the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019 to be held at Sai Baba Sekadham Kanhe Phata, Maharashtra under Kung Fu Sports Association of Maharashtra from December 28 to 30th. 58 players from Manipur will take part in the championship. The players were accompanied by Manipur team manager as Rajeshwar, team coach and Washington Meitei, assistant team coach as Rohit Kumar and General Secretary of All India Kung Fu Federation and TOMTV correspondent Dr. H. Roman. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Government working to provide best healthcare service to people, says Minister Jayant Kumar. Leaders, including Chief Minister Biren, extend warm Christmas greetings. And village chairman injured in gun attack by suspected KNF and militants. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and have a good night.